Okay, everybody. Hello again. This is me and Benny. We're going to go and watch the week 6 in the Algodoo Arena. Me and Elwood, Benny and Elwood. Um, and I'll fire this up now. Um,
Yo, check ball.
did I just
Let's
win?
go.
Did I win back to back? Is that what you're saying? Hang on for a second. Um, okay,
Yo, check ball. Let's go.
let's go. I I wasn't able to read what that said. I did win back to back. I'm winning in the other football league I'm into, and um, so I'm doing pretty well. It looks like I'm doing pretty well here. I mean, I'm doing pretty well. I don't know. I don't know what the strategy is for Elwood, but oh, oh gosh, oh, that's a big catch. Yeah. Maybe. Oh, I can't type. Benny, it's still possible for us to catch up here. Um,
What?
or not. We have a few moments, Benny, to try to get this football. We could catch up here, but oh boy.
Now let's go get you a hot dog.
Oh,
That's how you let fools know.
um, um, yeah, that's pretty good record there in football catch. Um, and we're doing still well in the football part. Well, thanks very much for this um,
Crushed.
for the thanks Super Repus Network for the fun game again. Maybe we'll react every week just to do something, and we'll talk with everybody later.